Hello and welcome back to the AutoCAD course. In today's lesson, we'll be going over through modifying tools, the trim and the extend modifiers. So first of all, let's draw a couple of lines here. Let's do this, draw another line vertically, and we are good to go. So let's suppose that we want to trim one of those, and so there's this simple way that is very simple. All you have to do is click the trim tool and then just choose a side you would like to trim. So clicking this, as you can see, it's no more like highlighted with the white color. Clicking it will delete it. So now this wouldn't work in another case, which is, for example, if we draw another line here and we draw also another line, another vertical line here, as you can see. So now let me try and copy. I would love you if you could practice with me while I'm doing this as well. So choose a baseline and copy this a bunch of times. So now let me tell you what's the problem with the method that we have just used. If we use just the trim, if we just go for, if we go just for trim tool, look, if I want to delete this whole middle line, I will be able to 1, 2, 3. I may do mistakes, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will keep doing that a lot of times, and that's just a waste of time. But there's a method to do it very simply. So first of all, let me choose the first lines and the lines between the lines I want to delete. So we are looking to delete this middle line. So what we are looking for is the lines between them, just this one and this one. And then I will click the trim function and I will delete this whole line very easily, as you can see here. So clicking enter will result into deleting this line, and now we have this weird shape right here. So now if we go back and let us try right now doing the opposite of what we not the opposite, but instead just going to delete between the lines instead of the outer lines. So all you have to do is pretty simple. I repeat, choose the lines between the line you want to delete and the specific line you also want to delete. So those are the lines between them, and this is the line we are looking to delete from, and then click for trim, and then that's easy peasy. So what's happening when we choose the trim tool without specifying those, it's just combine everything and calculate everything. But when we specify those lines we have right here, it's just ignores everything else and counts just what we are looking for. And now let's move on to the extend. So let's say I have a simple line here and I have a simple other line here. Let me draw a line here, and I want to extend this line to this line. So in extending, you would have a mindset, a little bit of mindset here. So in extending, it's not that simple. So if I go click extend, so first of all, we can access extend from up here or by searching extend. So if I want to extend just this to this, it's going to just easily extend this, but this is not the right way to do it. The right way is to do it very simple. Select the object or the line that you would like to extend to, which is the destination of your extend, and all you have to do right then is click the extend button and just extend to here. And now I'll show you why it's not that efficient. The first thing that we did is not efficient. So let's suppose we have a line like this and another line just below it like this, and now we have a couple of lines that are between of these lines. Let me draw a line and go ahead and draw a line. So you could also, by the way, if you didn't know, copy by using Control and Z. So doing Control and Z will help you control them. So I'll just do a couple of them here. And now let's suppose that I want to extend from here to here. So if you're using the first method without knowing the second method, so all you have going to do is all the time is that keep to extend from either the bottom or the top, and that's just not efficient whatsoever. Bottom top, you are going to keep doing it like the trim thing. So what you are doing here is just select the top. For example, I would like to do it to the top, and then all I have to do is select extend, and this line will appear, and I'm good to go. One more thing also to note. So for example, let's say you would like to extend, for example, like the same thing, we would like to just extend from the top to here, and let's choose extend. So now it's not extending. Why is that? Because you should specify the area that's closest from the center to the extendation destination. So you have to choose the top area and not the bottom area. So those whole ones on the right side are not going to be able to extend. You have to choose the top area right here. And now let's do extend from the bottom and the top side at same. Choose this one and choose this one simply and click the extend. And then all you have to do is pretty simple, is just draw like what I will do right here is pretty simple. I'll just draw either 2 lines or draw something like this to extend both of them. That was extending, shading, and trimming. I hope you understand today's lesson, and I hope to see you in another lesson.